everyone. So I wanted to share a fun experience with you all. शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. I'm sorry, I have been down with a little cold and cough last week. So last year on my birthday, I wanted to do something different. My birthday comes in November. मुझे लगा कि हर बार की तरह करने की जगह पे कुछ अलग करते हैं. जैसे maybe I could go on a solo trip, or I don't know, but solo trip was on the top of what I felt like doing at the time. इसके पहले I haven't been on a solo trip really, so I was thinking instead of going alone, totally alone, I could join a group, go with a group where there are strangers. So it will be like a solo trip for me, but there will be people around, so I don't have to plan to the T about everything. So I had almost, and I'm not going to name the company now because I didn't avail their services, but there was this company that this young man runs. I've been following them and following his own journey for many years now since my US days, and I've always wanted to travel with them. And they had a short 3-day weekend trip to Rishikesh, which was for adventure activities especially. That really got me excited. And I had almost decided to go for their trip with them, but then it was pre-Diwali, and being an actor, I thought about some Diwali ads. There could be some requirements, so I talked to a few friends and then decided कि चलो अभी नहीं जाते हैं, because if there are requirements, क्योंकि दिवाली के टाइम पे या दिवाली के पहले थोड़ा ads कुछ shoot आ सकता है टाइम पे, and I may miss out on them, and it did turn out. If I had gone with them, I might have had to miss the Govind ad that I did last Diwali, and that everybody, all of you liked and loved. Excuse me. So that's the background. So I wanted to do the 3-day Rishikesh trip, but it didn't happen at that time. In December में something else happened during the Christmas. I did the बाल वैज्ञानिक प्रदर्शनी, फिर तभी भी नहीं जा पाई. फिर जनवरी से कुछ शुरू हुआ, it didn't come about somehow. Come May, actually come February or March, we decided to have a trip to Uttarakhand, a family vacation in summer. And उसके पहले कुछ दिन ऋषिकेश में जाना है ऐसा. And I मतलब it just happened. It's not that I pushed for it या ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि logically the stop was Rishikesh and हमको लगा चलो चलते हैं. So we are in Rishikesh currently as I speak. We came here. I'll be honest, we did the Ganga Aarti, we did a few things in Rishikesh, but the first 2 days were not great. एक तो May का time था, we didn't know the yatra starts on 10th May, and we came here I think on the 15th or 16th of May. It's the 26th today. It was quite, there was a lot of rush, काफ़ी भीड़ भाड़ है, रास्ते पे lot of traffic. The first 2 days were quite okay. Ganga Aarti we did at the Parmarth ashram. Honestly, that was not something that we would recommend to friends. मतलब once in a lifetime experience के लिए ठीक है, but it was not something that we enjoyed thoroughly. Just before leaving Pune, I got a wonderful opportunity for acting.